Hi, I'm Cynthia Jammin, owner of TwirlyGirl. I just returned from the distant future where your child is still talking about the TwirlyGirl dress you haven't even purchased yet. So how do we make a childhood dress that memorable? Follow me. I'll give you a tour of our global headquarters located inside this magic tree. The tree's broken again. Call the branch office. It all starts with our amazing colors, which we pull out of thin air. Using our patented cardboard box technology, we're able to extract over 1,400 different colors, and 5 that can be seen only by butterflies.
If only I wasn't a moth.
Thin air passes into this thingy, goes through this thingy, and comes out this thingy as colors.
Oh, I'm sorry, dear. Did I get your face?
Maybe just a little.
To make our dresses super memorable, many of them are reversible. Oh, not that reversible. This reversible. Actual changing times may vary. This is Bunny the Bunny. She's our copywriter. She's even writing the dialogue for this commercial. Isn't she clever? Clever? And this is where we store all the clothing that gets returned to us. Yep, kids love our clothing so much that our return rate is less than 1%. Only gasoline has a lower return rate. Take this back, would you? Your child is about to create wonderful memories in her TwirlyGirl clothing. Pay close attention so that they become your memories too. Gift wrapping. Free with purchase. This is for a TwirlyGirl in the future. She needs it by tomorrow, so send it in the past. It's a present.
What address?
No, what a dress. And it certainly is. Prepare for time travel, Grandma.
Time travel? Does this sound bananas to you?
I will time travel. I will have been time traveling. I will have time traveled. Let's make the future perfect. We may need it someday. And one last thing. Although we have a time machine, you don't. If you wait until she stops growing to buy her the dress of her childhood, it'll be too late. Uh-oh. Share your twirl with the world.